This is how we make our ESD chair. Let's take a closer look.
Mold preheated to 45 degrees Celsius. High pressure injection done in 10 seconds. Then free foaming and demolding.
One-piece molding, no seams, no gap.
Unlike traditional assemble chair, dirt and bacterial hide in the joint. Ours smooth and clean.
Look at the cross section. Our uniform is denser and more uniform. That's why sharp object won't leave marks on ours. But on others, you can see the damage.
HEWEI SEATIng, one-piece ESD chairs. Built to last, built to clean. Contact us for a sample comparison.